Future pheromonal potentials are available for people who want to study them, and you could maybe understand why I would say people who've had a hysterectomy, who've had breast cancer, who've had a prostatectomy, and other surgeries that inhibit the romantic life of the person. Infertile couples that have no detectable pathology because regular sex promotes fertility. It's one of the things we saw. And pheromones appear to promote regular sex. Couples in marital therapy to get more loving with each other, because that's what it does. And I will read you yesterday when an order, we take orders all the time, and a man ordered and he wanted another vial on the shopping cart, which is automated. And when that data was entered as the new order, I saw he had given a testimonial earlier. So this is a testimonial he gave in 2001 on his third order. Yesterday he gave his 28th order in 2022. I'd like to add that I had success with 10X, Athena Pheromone 10X is the name of the meds. Even on my worst days, being in a not so positive mood, I've experienced more attention from women. Usually no one wants to be around someone who might be negative or grouchy, but women have been more receptive when I'm actively and consistently using this stuff. Just an observation since I started using 10X 2 years ago. That was 2001, and 2022 was his, I think, 21st order that he just placed, because one vial does last about 6 months. So that is, in a nutshell, the course through science, the cosmos, and entrepreneurial focus. And thank you for your attention.